Well, this question says Joseph had 6 times as much money as Jim at first. After Joseph gave $3,500 to Jim, they each had an equal amount of money. So how much money did they have all together? Alright. So now, it says that Joseph had 6 times as much money as Jim at first. Okay, so when we draw the model for that of Joseph, the Jim at first, since Jim had less, so we assign Jim to be 1 unit at first, and therefore Joseph will be 6 units because Joseph has 6 times as much. Alright. Now, when we look at the difference here, compare the difference of Jim and Joseph model. This is the difference. We have altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. Okay, and we cannot divide 5 by 2. Alright, because 5 is an odd number. When you divide an odd number by even number, you get an odd number. Alright, which is not what you want. We get fractions here. So what we can do is to convert it into an even number by cutting 1 unit into 2 equal parts. So we cut 1 unit into 2 equal parts. Jim would have 2 parts because Jim had 1 unit, and Joseph would have altogether 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 parts. Okay, because Joseph had 6 units. Now the difference became 10 parts here. Alright, 10 parts. 10 is an even number. When it's divided by 2, it gives you 5. That means to say, in the end, if you want the model of Jim and Joseph to be the same, equal amount, we got to transfer 5 parts from Joseph to Jim. Alright, so in the end, Jim would have 5 plus 2 at first. That gives him 7 parts, and that for Joseph 7 parts as well. Alright, and this so happened after Joseph gave $3,500 to Jim, as given by the questions. That means to say, this 5 parts is equivalent to $3,500. If 5 parts is equal to $3,500, we divide 3,500 by 5, you will get 1 part to be $700. The question is, how much money did they have all together? The total number of parts we have here is 14 parts. Okay, so since 1 part is $700, we multiply 700 by 14, and you will get $9,800. Hence, the answer to the question is $9,800. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.